Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Teaching is the profession that creates all professions. 100% true. But equally important is one's ability and willingness to learn anything and everything from anyone and everyone, anytime and every time. Recalling this fact, one fine rainy morning, I remembered our auntie made a beautiful recipe using mangoes. So to learn the recipe of Fajeto, the ripe mango curry, we drove down to auntie's house. And before the recipe, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah, wash away our assumptions, presumptions and bestow us with clear vision of true knowledge and deep wisdom. And auntie had selected these desi or wild, organic or baby or hill mangoes of Punjab or Himachal, and these are the mango benefits and nutritional value, of course. And first and foremost, remove a shawl. If you do not know how to do it, you can watch these videos, links are mentioned in the description. And now for the recipe. First, auntie peeled off the skin and removed the seeds of the mangoes. She separated both of them. Then she washed the pulp of the skin of the mangoes, and hence the pulp is not wasted. Now, as a general rule, milk or milk products are never combined with mangoes. These are the side effects. So you can stop the slides and go through. And these are the plant-based milk that are available in the market, which can be used instead. And the same now goes for the curd or yogurt. Why curd or yogurt is never cooked? You can stop the slides and go through. This is very important. This again is a general rule. Never cook curd or yogurt. Now, auntie takes curd or yogurt and she whisks the curd or yogurt with a wooden madani, mathani, gutni, biloni, beater, churner or blender till it is absolutely lump free. Then she adds the gram flour, again ensuring that the gram flour is without lumps. To ensure this, she uses a sieve and then she whisks the mix and ensures that it is absolutely lump free. Our fractions are ready. Now, aag lagao. Now, she adds mustard oil, kachigani, cold pressed, and then she adds fenugreek seeds and asafoetida and allows them to sizzle. Cumin seeds, and they sizzle. Onion chopped, which she had previously chopped. And she adds the onion and she stirs well to mix well. Then she adds turmeric and she mixes well. Did you notice that auntie has laid out all the ingredients even before she started to make the curry? Well, that's the golden rule, isn't it? And garden fresh green chilies. Again, mixes well. Wait. She was forgetting something, and that was curry leaves. Then she adds the curry leaves. Once done, one mix, and then she adds the yogurt or curd mix and water. Water is as per as the quantity of curry preferred, and red chili powder. And then auntie adds sea salt, but you can use any natural salt. And stir well. Coriander powder. Again, she stirs continuously to avoid splitting of the curd or yogurt till the curry comes to a hard rolling boil. Look, it started to boil. There, it's coming to a hard rolling boil, and this is the time when you add the mango pulp and the seeds. And again, she stirs well and allows the flavors to fuse, and she tastes also. And then she watches carefully till curry starts to boil again. Now, when that is done, she partially covers and reduces the heat to sim or low and allows the curry to simmer for 10 minutes. Then she uncovers, gives a good stir, ensures curry does not stick to the bottom of the vessel, and again she covers and cooks for 10 more minutes. Then she uncovers again, stirs well, and places the ladle diagonally to prevent curry from overflowing. Then auntie adds crystal sugar, which caramelizes the curry and gives it a beautiful golden glow. Now she covers again and cooks for another 10 minutes. When done, she uncovers, stirs well, curry is ready, and then she switches off the flame. And she serves with plain boiled steamed rice or pulao or any roti, naan, parantha, puri, kulcha or bhatura. And these are some of the tips that auntie mentioned when she was making the curry. So these tips are very important. You can stop the slides and go through. And when you make it, serve and enjoy with all, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.